What?
Just what are you? It's been a long time since you were able to relax a bit. How was it?
Hey, I'd choose my words carefully if I were you, because they're gonna be your last.
Remember me?
You look different since we last met. Megumi.
Well, in the end, this brat was the one I took over. Now, I'll finish you.
Once I make this punk's body my own, you'll be the first one I kill.
That's so. The same guy who ran from Yuji? You must have guts to talk like that after running away like a coward.
How dare you!
And who the hell are you?
Sukuna, before you fight him, you must keep up your side of the vow.
And who would have thought that the great Sukuna would pay attention to a guy who looks like a boiled rag?
All right.
Ah. Well, what day is it today?
November 19th.
How about we do this on the 24th of December?
Ha ha ha, how romantic.
Having 2 death anniversaries would make things complicated, no?
Do you really think you won't lose?
Who's stronger, him or you?
Sukuna regained all his power. He might cause me a little trouble.
But would you lose?
Nah, I'd win.